we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
An average helicopter can reach a top speed of somewhere between 130 and 140 knots, which comes out to about 160 miles per hour. The Eurocopter X3 can reach a top speed somewhere in the neighborhood of 267 miles per hour, 430 kilometers per hour or 232 knots, in stable and level flight.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.